Hi, I'm Shyann Clark. I'm our dispatcher and I've been with County for 2.5 years. A typical workday for me would be helping our county drivers find loads. I work with our national customer service. I respond to emails and calls, pull reports all day, stuff like that. Working here at County, definitely it's a teamwork-based job. A lot of my job flows together from other dispatchers, customer service, so we all work together and it helps transition smoothly. My experience as a woman in manufacturing is actually pretty awesome. I think a lot of the times being a woman in the industry, a lot of people think like, oh, you get looked over because you're a female, and that's not the case. We're just as important as the men. We all have a job to do and they do respect us. They're awesome, they are very supportive, and they're going to have your back no matter what. My advice for women trying to join the manufacturing industry is go for it. Everyone here is awesome, the community is great, and there is always endless opportunity to grow.